Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, just put that over there. Just like in the video, right?
Yep. See what we get.
What is that?
Crabs.
You see them in there? How many are there? Hold it up.
I don't want to drop them.
How many do you see in there?
Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, I see 3 of them.
Are they all moving around in there?
Yep. Alright, let's let them go.
Okay. So they're gonna. Where are they gonna go? Where do you want to put them? Want to put them next to the tank for now?
Yeah.
Why don't you put this down? Put that down and use 2 hands.
This?
Yeah, put that down. Use 2 hands to pick up the crabs.
2 hands?
Yeah.
Oh, I was wrong. Oh, I can feel them. I can see the pom-poms on their hands.
Yeah, how many are in there?
Oh,
Can you count?
Know. We gotta see in the tank. Come on. Put them in the tank.
How about you put them next to the tank?
Is this a good spot?
And push all that stuff in so they don't fall. There you go.
Look at them. Come on, let's let them go.
Okay, hang on. Let's get to it.
Can I see? Oh.
You see them in there?
Yeah, can we dump the crabs in? If I'm gonna dump them in these.
Yeah, just a moment. I'm just making sure they're all okay.
You don't want me. We do have 4.
There's 3 of them crawling around.
Is that it? Oh, no way! Look at them! They're fighting.
No, they're doing just fine.
Okay, Daddy.
Go. You ready?
Yeah, we're ready to put him in. My little boy. Come on. Yeah, you like you're shaking your own arm. You ready, little guy?
Where did he go?
Look at him. You can see him much better now.
So that one's in there?
Yeah.
So he's already trying to dig, huh?
Here comes number 3. Oh boy. Oh boy, he's gonna come. Do a swish shash. Swish shash.
He's stuck. There he goes.
Look at him. He's definitely down there. But I could see his back.
No, they're hiding right away.
Yeah, look at that. Come here. Come here. There's nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to be afraid of, guy. Good night.
So they're doing some remodeling.
I guess he wants to hide too.
They're probably all a little scared, a little nervous about where they are.
Why is he nervous?
It's a new place.